Hey guys, it's Snappy Turtle here, and welcome to Unturned. My game was deleted, and so were my recording files for Unturned, so we'll have to make a whole new fresh start with a really sensitive mouse. So let's go over this way, and could be some new stuff over here. Oh, wait. I have a flashlight. I don't have a flashlight. You always have a flashlight when you start. You're supposed to. No, go away. No, I don't like you. No, don't hit me. No, die. Okay, thank you. Let's go. Continue on a journey. Stalk or prey in the wild. I thought I was going to stalk a prey. Oh, there he is. Stalk or prey in the wild as he runs towards us. Now he's the predator. Because that's scientifical of me, and I know scientifical isn't actually a word, but that's okay, because it doesn't have to be. I've only lost 3 health. I thought you lost 10 every hit. Oh, poop. What the heck, a frag grenade and dynamite? Oh, I've already made a good find. Airport. I thought this was the Swift magazine. I don't really need that at all. Okay, let's go try to find something else. I don't really need that grenade. I really don't need that grenade. I'm really tempted to just grab that grenade. Okay. Oh, juked, boy. Juked. You've been juked. Oh no! Wait, what? How are you biting me? No, that's mean. Didn't they teach you in your kindergarten class not to bite people? It's very rude to bite people, especially when they're trying to kill you. It's very rude. I know this is like massive cheat, but it's all I can do right now. Okay, go. Okay, let's go over this way without them seeing me. Hopefully there's some sort of weapon in here. If there's no weapon, I'm gonna freak. There's no weapons in here at all, except for that grenade. I really don't want a grenade though. You gotta be kidding me, really? A crawler? And maybe there will be some sort of assault rifle. I really need a gun. Oh my gosh, my dream has come true. How many bullets do you have? 7 of 30? Oh my gosh. Alright guys, line up. Finally an assault rifle. An actual gun. No. Yes! Let's look at it. Okay, so it looks like it's got NATO tactical barrel. Okay. Okay, maybe I can make a run for the exit. Oh, that tower. I really need to look in that tower. It looks like we've got a some sort of village town over there. Maybe they have the AK-47 or whatever the name is for it. Okay, let's see if I can try to find. Oh, one is the flashlight. What was that? I think. Okay. I like the iron sights on this thing. Okay, they're not following us anymore. Let's go over here. Okay. Keep going, just keep swimming. Maybe I can actually make it over to the other side without being spotted by any zombies. Because I really need a melee weapon other than this M4-like weapon. Okay, let's see. Go over here. Almost there. Just keep going. Almost there. Just keep swimming. You touched the butt. Okay, keep going. We're almost there. Yes, we have hit land. Need this assault rifle out. Okay. Need to run this way because there's a zombie thing. Sorry, I've been watching The Walking Dead. You'll never catch me. You'll never catch me. You'll never catch me. Oh poop. Oh poop. Oh poop. Hit you with a flashlight. Better stand back. Got a flashlight. Got a flashlight, and I know how to use it. I think. How does he eat you with his hand? That doesn't make any sense to me. Sprint past you. It's not a board. A bow. Oh! Might have to start shooting. Is that a NATO mag? It looks like a NATO mag. I don't want to go get it though. That's a lot of them. Do I really want to shoot? No, I don't want to shoot. I really don't need to shoot. I don't want to shoot either. No, don't eat me. I'm gonna have to. Okay, I've got 3 bullets left and a crawler. There we go, 2 bullets left. Oh, I didn't see you. 1 bullet left. Okay, I also need some sort of med pack. Shells. Has to be a shotgun over here. Splint. I've just walked into a complete trap. Run out. Okay. There's nothing. Is that a... yeah, it's a bow. Okay, now we can actually go inside. Killed most of them. Killed 7 zombies. Can I go in there? No, I can't go in. Maybe I can hold up in this area over here. Pants. Okay, yeah, we're not naked anymore. That's a lot better now. Duct tape. Wooden door. Do I really need a door? Swift magazine. Another board. Nothing under the bed. More bolts. Kidding. A stick? No, an orange glow stick. Okay, well, at least I was close. Okay, thank you, Assult. A hand saw. Is that a weapon? I don't think it can be. Dang it. Okay, well, we're done. I thought that was something. It's just a dead zombie. I think I saw something over there. We should probably go look at before I go adventuring into the city with a car that I found. Okay. Run. Run. Run, run, run away. I saw something over here. I just ran over here for no reason. I think there's only one way out of this. Maybe if I can get over this hill, I can see something. Actually, no, I'm not done yet. I mean, I've got 39 health. I got some things to drink. Some things to eat.